Good morning, Coffee Klatsch friends. This is Sarah with StinkingCuteCards.com, and I'm home. Got back from our magical, relaxing trip to Quebec last night. And so I am back in the studio. I really should learn to schedule a re-entry day before I do anything, but we're back, boots on the ground, and we are running. So today is the first day of celebration, and that's always fun because for every $60 that you purchase from Stampin' Up, you get something fun for free. And so I'm going to show you just a couple of things. I've got kind of a card in my head, and because again, like I said, I just got home and there are boxes everywhere. It's so funny. My friend Sue took really good care of the cats and dogs, but yeah, it was great. The workshop fairy didn't come and magically clean the office. So, but yeah, it's all good. Sue, I was, shout out to Sue. She did a great job taking care of the cats and the dogs and the chickens. So everybody is hale and hearty, and life is good. I'm going to flip you around and show you what I got here. Hey, Wendy, Happy New Year to you too. All right, here we go. Close your eyes. All right. So if anybody is looking for a fun vacation spot, Quebec is, I would highly recommend. 10 out of 10. The food was amazing. It was a little chilly, but I think it was cold here too. Yeah, it was lovely. I would go back again in a heartbeat. Very pretty. So, I'm trying to get myself back in the groove here. It's been a while since I've stamped. All right. So this was a card that I designed, for my tutorial for when you place an order during, celebration or, place an order in January, you get this tutorial for free. And so, this is a stamp set that came out today in the new mini catalog, and there is coordinating paper in the celebration flyer. So make sure that you check that out. If you haven't got your flyer, let me know. I know I need to send one out to Joan now that I'm home. I'm not sure if there's anybody else that needs them. Let me know. But so that is what I've got. So, I just got to show you a little sneak peek. This is something that we're going to be doing. I found this at my friend's quilt store the other day. She owns Blueberry Line Quilting up in Ridgeland, Wisconsin. And so I found this fabric. It is so stinking cute. It's got the little mushrooms on it. And so I thought I would design a card using these colors, but that's not today. That is another day. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use this sketch, the little mushroom sketch, to do a card for Valentine's Day. I'm starting my classes up again. I think it's next week I have a class this week, Thursday and Friday, for my my rewards club. But then I think we start regular classes again next week. And so I need some Valentine's cards. And so one of the fun ones that is an online exclusive is the Hearts of Elegance. Super fun with this marbled paper, just kind of cute. So what I thought I would do is do this card, but with hearts. So let's go ahead, and one of the easiest ways to start this one is we are going to make a mark at 2 1/8, because I need to find the center. Okay. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut from this line to here into a point here. So let's go ta-da, ta-da. All right. Move that over just a smidge. And do the same thing over here. So I have pre-scored this I'll get you those direct measurements in a second here. So that is going to be the little flap, right? So it's going to open up like that. All right. I scored this at 2 1/4 and 5 1/2. And then this is our piece that's going to get glued on the inside in here. So let's go ahead and do that. we could go ahead and cut a piece for this. But I'm going to just whack this off. I think it's, if I cut it at 3 inches, right? Because then this piece will go out here, and I could do a layer of white if I wanted to. I don't know. I think I'm just going to leave it like this. Although white would really pop it, wouldn't it? What do you think? Yeah, let's just go forward. I got a lot of things to get done today. We might do white later. Who knows? All right, so there is that. And then, of course, you want to take advantage of the back side. So let's put the marbled on there too. Okay. And then I cut a piece of cardstock, 3 inches by 3 inches. And that is going to get glued on right here. Now, my friend Annette had sent this card to me. I think it was her Christmas card, and it was just absolutely gorgeous, adorable. So I thought I would do this one as a little fun Valentine's. And I'm just going to put my adhesive on here. And we're going to add this one right here. And again, I want tip to tip. Make sure that it's all lined up. So then it's going to open up like that, right? So then you can also put a panel here. We are going to stamp our saying in, let's do it in red, the real red. And let's do Happy Valentine's Day. Is that going to fit? Why, yes, it is. And this one has a nice little coordinating stamp set. Let's take this little red heart and cut that too. All right. Hopefully that's straight. Yeah, not bad. Ha-ha. And let's do this one in red, I think, right? Take that one and die cut that. Okay. So this is going to get glued on right here. And then this one will get glued right here, right? Be kind of cute. And you could do as many little hearts as you wanted to. Get creative. We're just going to add a little veil. I'm going to put it right here. Opens up. I'm going to put another little piece of white here. But again, there are a couple of other fun little things you could do. This is a really fun little heart that would be cute to put on here. I've got some flowers that you can die cut. I think I will put one of those up here to kind of, jazz it up a little bit. How about my heart belongs to you on the inside? I'm sending lots of love. My heart belongs to you. We could do both. My heart belongs to you. Sending lots of love. And then, of course, the XOXO. So let's add that there. Is that cute? What a fun little design. This one would be really cute too, to die cut this one up here and cut that out as well. It's an option to kind of dress it up just a little bit. So that is, I'm going to work on that today. That's a cute little Valentine's that we're going to have for our card buffet next week. I also have this one that my friend Susan had at her place. And look at this. Isn't this super cute? Watch this. So it's just a little pull out, a little Valentine pocket, and the heart slides right in behind that one. So this is the stand sets that will be the DoorDash as well for January. So lots of things going on. Man, I've got classes starting up again. I've got my DoorDash to get out, and it's good to get home. No bling. Yeah, you know what, Bill? I do have bling. I got to find bling, but I got to finish this first. I want to put a little heart here, and then we can bedazzle that. I think probably this one would be super cute. Let's see what else we got. It definitely needs bling. I totally agree. But I got to find the right bling. I got to finish it first. So gold would be cute because then it would match the gold on there. So stay tuned. I will figure out the rest of this card, but that's what I've got for you. This is the start of a little fun fold again. You're going to score at 2 1/4 and at 5 1/2, and then you're going to mark at 2 1/8 and trim that. So then it just becomes this little fun fold that opens up like that. So that's what I have. Don't forget today, celebration starts, and you guys have a great week. We will chat again on Thursday. Yeah. So toodles, my friends. Thanks.